On the far side of the moon, hidden from our view, lies a world of mystery and awe. This enigmatic region, untouched by human eyes, holds stories of cosmic collisions and ancient volcanic eruptions. What secrets does this shadowy landscape conceal? Could there be phenomena that defy our understanding, or events that challenge our perception of the moon as a tranquil celestial body? As we peer into the unknown, the moon's far side beckons with its untold tales and potential revelations. Prepare to be captivated by the mysteries and marvels that await in this uncharted lunar territory. The moon has long been a source of fascination and mystery for humanity, but the far side, often referred to as the dark side, holds particular intrigue. Unlike the side that faces Earth, the far side is perpetually hidden from our view, shrouded in mystery and speculation. This enigmatic region has sparked numerous theories and scientific inquiries, leading to a deeper understanding of our celestial neighbour. One of the most significant aspects of the lunar enigma is its geological features. The far side is markedly different from the near side, with a thicker crust and a higher density of impact craters. This has led scientists to hypothesize about the moon's formation and the cosmic events that shaped its surface. The absence of the large, dark basaltic plains known as maria, which are prevalent on the near side, adds to the mystery. This difference suggests a complex history of volcanic activity and impacts that have yet to be fully understood. The far side of the moon also plays a crucial role in scientific exploration. It offers a unique environment for radio astronomy, free from the radio interference generated by Earth. This has led to proposals for establishing radio telescopes on the far side to study the universe's early history and search for extraterrestrial signals. Moreover, the far side has been the focus of recent space missions, such as China's Chang'e 4, which successfully landed in the Von Karman crater in 2019. These missions aim to explore the moon's geology, test new technologies, and pave the way for future human exploration. The concept of shadows of the moon evokes the mysterious and often misunderstood aspects of the moon's far side, which remains hidden from direct view on Earth. This perpetual shadow has fueled both scientific curiosity and imaginative speculation. The far side of the moon is not permanently dark, as the term dark side might suggest. Instead, it experiences the same phases as the near side, with sunlight illuminating it in a regular cycle. However, its hidden nature has led to a sense of mystery and intrigue. The shadows cast by the moon's rugged terrain, its craters, mountains, and valleys, create a landscape that is both beautiful and enigmatic. Scientifically, these shadows are crucial for understanding the moon's geological history. The far side is heavily cratered, with features that have remained largely unchanged for billions of years. These shadows help scientists study the impact history of the moon, offering clues about the early solar system. The lack of maria, or large basaltic plains on the far side compared to the near side, suggests a different volcanic history, possibly due to variations in crust thickness and internal heat. The shadows also play a role in the moon's potential for future exploration. The far side's isolation from Earth's radio noise makes it an ideal location for radio telescopes, which could be placed in the shadow of lunar features to shield them from interference. This could enable unprecedented studies of the universe's early moments and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The moon, Earth's constant companion, holds many cosmic secrets, particularly on its far side, which remains hidden from our direct view. This mysterious region has long intrigued scientists and the public alike, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the history and evolution of our solar system. One of the most compelling cosmic secrets of the moon is its formation. The leading theory suggests that the moon was created from the debris of a colossal impact between Earth and a Mars-sized body known as Theia, over 4.5 billion years ago. Studying the far side's composition and geological features can provide critical insights into this cataclysmic event and the early conditions of the Earth-Moon system. The far side of the moon is also a treasure trove of information about the solar system's history. Its surface is heavily cratered and largely unchanged, preserving a record of impacts that have occurred over billions of years. By analyzing these craters, scientists can learn about the frequency and scale of asteroid impacts, offering clues about the dynamic processes that have shaped not only the moon but also Earth and other planetary bodies. Moreover, the far side's unique environment presents opportunities for groundbreaking scientific research. Its isolation from Earth's radio emissions makes it an ideal location for radio astronomy. Placing telescopes on the far side could allow scientists to study cosmic phenomena without interference, potentially uncovering secrets about the universe's formation, the nature of dark matter, and the search for extraterrestrial life. The far side of the moon, often referred to as the dark side, is a source of enduring mystery and fascination. Although it is not perpetually dark as it receives sunlight just like the near side, its hidden nature from Earth's view has made it a subject of intrigue and speculation. One of the primary mysteries of the dark side is its stark geological contrast with the near side. The far side is heavily cratered and lacks the large, dark basaltic plains known as maria, which dominate the near side. This difference suggests a unique volcanic and impact history, possibly due to variations in crust thickness and internal heat distribution. Understanding these geological features can provide insights into the Moon's formation and the early solar system's dynamics. The dark side also holds potential for scientific discovery. Its isolation from Earth's radio noise makes it an ideal location for radio telescopes, which could be used to study cosmic phenomena without interference. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the universe's early moments, the nature of dark matter, and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Recent missions, such as China's Chang'e 4, have begun to explore the dark side, landing in the Volcanic crater in 2019. These missions aim to study the Moon's geology, test new technologies, and prepare for future human exploration. The data collected could help unravel the mysteries of the Moon's far side and its role in the broader context of planetary science. The Moon, with its serene appearance, harbors a host of anomalies that have puzzled scientists and fueled speculation for decades. These lunar anomalies, particularly on the far side, offer intriguing insights into the Moon's complex history and the dynamic processes that have shaped it. One of the most notable anomalies is the difference in crust thickness between the near and far sides of the Moon. The far side has a significantly thicker crust, which has led to fewer volcanic eruptions and the absence of large maria, or basaltic plains, that are prominent on the near side. This disparity raises questions about the Moon's internal structure and the forces that influenced its geological evolution. Another intriguing anomaly is the presence of unusual surface features, such as the South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest and oldest impact craters in the solar system. This basin, located on the far side, provides a unique window into the Moon's mantle and the impact processes that have shaped its surface. Studying these features can help scientists understand the history of impacts in the solar system and the Moon's geological past. Lunar transient phenomena, LTP, are another source of mystery. These are short-lived changes in the appearance of the lunar surface, such as flashes of light or changes in color. While the exact causes of LTP are not well understood, they may be related to outgassing, meteorite impacts, or electrostatic phenomena. Investigating these phenomena could provide insights into the Moon's current geological activity. The Moon's magnetic anomalies also present a puzzle. Unlike Earth, the Moon lacks a global magnetic field, but localized magnetic regions exist, particularly on the far side. These anomalies may be remnants of an ancient magnetic field or the result of large impacts. Understanding these magnetic features could shed light on the Moon's thermal and magnetic history. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, holds many hidden truths that continue to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. These truths, particularly those related to the far side, offer valuable insights into the Moon's formation, evolution, and its broader role in the solar system. One of the most profound hidden truths of the Moon is its origin. The prevailing theory suggests that the Moon formed from the debris of a colossal impact between the early Earth and a Mars-sized body named Theia. This event, occurring over 4.5 billion years ago, set the stage for the Moon's development. By studying the composition and geological features of the far side, scientists aim to uncover more details about this cataclysmic event and the conditions of the early Earth-Moon system. The far side of the Moon also reveals truths about the solar system's history. Its surface, heavily cratered and largely unchanged, serves as a time capsule, preserving a record of impacts over billions of years. Analyzing these craters helps scientists understand the frequency and scale of asteroid impacts, offering clues about the dynamic processes that have shaped not only the Moon, but also Earth and other planetary bodies. Another hidden truth lies in the Moon's potential for scientific exploration. The far side's isolation from Earth's radio emissions makes it an ideal location for radio astronomy. Establishing telescopes there could allow scientists to study cosmic phenomena without interference, potentially uncovering secrets about the universe's formation, the nature of dark matter, and the search for extraterrestrial life. Culturally, the Moon's hidden truths have inspired myths, legends, and artistic expressions, symbolizing the unknown and the quest for knowledge. As space exploration advances, missions to the Moon's far side, such as China's Chang'e 4, are beginning to reveal these truths, enhancing our understanding of the Moon and its significance in the cosmic tapestry. These discoveries not only deepen our scientific knowledge, but also enrich our cultural narratives about exploration and discovery. The moon, a constant presence in our night sky, is a celestial phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Its influence extends beyond its physical presence, affecting both the Earth and our understanding of the cosmos. The far side of the moon, often shrouded in mystery, adds an additional layer of intrigue to this celestial body. One of the most significant aspects of the moon as a celestial phenomenon is its role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. This stabilization has been crucial in maintaining a relatively stable climate over geological timescales, which has been essential for the development and sustenance of life on Earth. The gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon also gives rise to ocean tides, which have influenced the evolution of coastal ecosystems and marine life. The far side of the moon, hidden from direct view, presents unique opportunities for scientific exploration. Its isolation from Earth's radio noise makes it an ideal location for radio telescopes, which could be used to study the universe's early history and search for extraterrestrial signals. This could lead to groundbreaking discoveries about the formation of galaxies, the nature of dark matter, and the cosmic microwave background radiation. The moon's surface, with its craters and basins, serves as a record of the solar system's history. The far side, in particular, is heavily cratered and provides insights into the frequency and scale of asteroid impacts. Studying these features helps scientists understand the dynamic processes that have shaped not only the moon, but also other planetary bodies. Culturally, the moon has been a source of inspiration, symbolizing mystery, romance, and the passage of time. Its phases have guided agricultural practices and influenced calendars. The far side, often depicted in science fiction as a place of hidden secrets, continues to captivate the imagination. The moon's far side, often referred to as its dark side, holds secrets that have intrigued scientists and the public alike. While not perpetually dark, this hemisphere remains hidden from Earth's view, offering a realm of mystery and potential discovery. One of the moon's most compelling dark secrets is its geological contrast with the near side. The far side is dominated by rugged highlands and a higher density of impact craters, lacking the large, dark basaltic plains known as maria that characterize the near side. This disparity suggests a complex history of volcanic activity and crustal formation, possibly influenced by variations in crust thickness and internal heat distribution. Understanding these differences can provide insights into the moon's formation and the early solar system's dynamics. The far side also holds clues about the moon's magnetic history. Unlike Earth, the moon does not have a global magnetic field, but localized magnetic anomalies exist, particularly on the far side. These anomalies may be remnants of an ancient magnetic field or the result of large impacts. Studying these features could shed light on the moon's thermal and magnetic evolution. The far side's isolation from Earth's radio emissions presents a unique opportunity for scientific exploration. It is an ideal location for radio telescopes, which could be used to study cosmic phenomena without interference. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the universe's early moments, the nature of dark matter, and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Culturally, the moon's dark side has inspired myths, legends, and artistic expressions, often depicted as a place of hidden secrets and unknown dangers. This allure of the unknown continues to captivate our imagination, driving both scientific inquiry and creative expression. The moon's far side, often shrouded in mystery, represents one of the last frontiers in our quest to unveil the unknown. This hidden hemisphere, perpetually facing away from Earth, offers a wealth of scientific and cultural intrigue that continues to captivate our imagination. One of the most significant aspects of unveiling the unknown on the moon's far side is its potential to reveal insights into the early solar system. The far side's surface is heavily cratered and largely unchanged, preserving a record of impacts over billions of years. By studying these craters, scientists can gain a better understanding of the frequency and scale of asteroid impacts, offering clues about the dynamic processes that have shaped not only the moon, but also Earth and other planetary bodies. The far side also presents unique opportunities for scientific exploration, particularly in the field of radio astronomy. Its isolation from Earth's radio noise makes it an ideal location for radio telescopes, which could be used to study cosmic phenomena without interference. This could lead to groundbreaking discoveries about the universe's formation, the nature of dark matter, and the search for extraterrestrial life. Recent missions, such as China's Chang'e 4, have begun to explore the far side, landing in the Volcanic crater in 2019. These missions aim to study the moon's geology, test new technologies, and prepare for future human exploration. The data collected could help unravel the mysteries of the moon's far side and its role in the broader context of planetary science. Culturally, the concept of unveiling the unknown has inspired countless myths, legends, and artistic expressions. The moon's far side, often depicted as a place of hidden secrets and unknown dangers, continues to captivate our imagination, driving both scientific inquiry and creative expression. The moon, often seen as a serene and constant presence in the night sky, harbors a history of terrifying events that have shaped its surface and continue to intrigue scientists. These events, particularly those on the far side, reveal a dynamic and sometimes violent history that contrasts with its calm appearance. One of the most significant terrifying events in the moon's history is the formation of its massive impact craters. The far side in particular is heavily cratered, with features like the South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest and oldest impact craters in the solar system. This colossal impact, likely caused by an asteroid or comet, would have released an immense amount of energy, reshaping the lunar surface and providing insights into the early solar system's bombardment history. Volcanic activity also played a role in the moon's past, although it is less evident on the far side. The near side's maria, or large basaltic plains, are the result of ancient volcanic eruptions. While the far side lacks these extensive plains, the presence of smaller volcanic features suggests that it too experienced volcanic activity, albeit on a different scale. Understanding these events can help scientists piece together the moon's thermal and geological evolution. Lunar transient phenomena, LTP, add another layer of mystery and potential terror. These are short-lived changes in the appearance of the lunar surface, such as flashes of light or changes in color. While the exact causes of LTP are not well understood, they may be related to outgassing, meteorite impacts, or electrostatic phenomena. Investigating these phenomena could provide insights into the moon's current geological activity. Culturally, the idea of terrifying lunar events has inspired myths and legends, often depicting the moon as a place of hidden dangers and cosmic upheaval. As scientific exploration continues, missions to the moon's far side may uncover more about these events, enhancing our understanding of the moon's dynamic history and its role in the solar system.